Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope that you are all fine. So welcome to online class. Yes, today I am going to teach English lesson My Native Place from the class 5. So here we are going to see about native place. Do you all love your native place? Can you all remember your native place? Yeah, even I too like my native place. Yes, I love my native place. Do you? Yes, what's your response? Yeah, say I love my native place. Repeat after me. I love my native place. The name of the lesson is Trip to My Grandparents' Village. What is the name of the lesson? Trip to My Grandparents' Village. So here we are going to see about a boy named Santosh. What is the boy name? The boy name is Santosh. So who is going for a vacation to his grandparents' village? Some new interesting things that there we shall be seen. Some interesting things shall we learn what is going to happen in this story. Are you ready? In village side we can see. What are things in village side we can see? So in village side we can see a bullock cart, plug, scarecrow, grains, armor. What are things? Bullock cart, plug, scarecrow, grains, armors. So have you seen a bullock cart? Yeah, it's a vehicle with 2 or 4 wheels driven by bulls. We can see in our native place. In villages, most of the places we can see bullock cart. So and here plug. What is the plug? So turn up earth with a plug. This is done before rising a crop like paddy, maize, grains, everything. And now we move on to scarecrow. And here I'll look at this funny image. In our book page number 1 or 2, so we are having a funny image. See the image? So what is this? This is a figure made to look like a person and put in a field to frighten birds away. This is called as scarecrow. So now you can grains. You can see it in this field like a doll wearing a shirt and a big scared face. And then you know these are grains like wheat, paddy, other cultivated cereals used for food. And this is armor. Armor is nothing but a metal cover worn to protect the body in battle. Have you seen this? In battle, have you seen this? Some of them were used to protect the body. They are wearing a metal cover. So that is meant by armor. So yes, now let's move on to the story. This is now only we are entering into the story. It is a summer. So summer will be very hot, you know already. So in summer season, so lot of heavy hot springs are there. So it is a summer. Santosh vacation has started. Santosh vacation has started. His parents are going to Sirumalai. His parents are going to where? Sirumalai. His parents' village. Santosh is excited because what? He is going to his grandparents' home, isn't it? So Santosh is excited and he is ready to record everything what is happening during his vacation. So he is recording. So to record his diary on his mother's phone. So how he is recording his vacations, everything on his mother's phone. Okay, so he started to record everything, his audio diary on his mother's phone. So you all know this. So do you all know this option in your mobile phone? There will be a recording option using the audio in recorder option. Santosh started to record all his feelings during the visit and later on he write down on his diary what he recorded. So now we are ready to learn what Santosh did and how useful to spend his vacation. So shall we read his diary? Are you all ready? Shall we read the diary? Yes. At first it was on 10th April. So what is the date? The 10th April. Santosh is writing in his way, in this way. What he is writing? I am very eager to visit my parents' village. Whose village? Parents, his Santosh's parents' village. There I will meet my grandparents, cousins. So isn't it? We are all very happy to see our grandparents because grandparents are so lovable to us, isn't it? So I have packed my clothes. So he's packing. He's going to grandparents' house. He's packing all his things, especially tab for playing games there. So tab, you all know tab, mobile phones. You are playing games. We will be traveling in a bus. So by bus he is traveling. I am also so excited. Usually in villages we didn't have any transportation facilities like trains and all, no. So we use bus for our travel. Santosh is also traveling in a bus on 10th April. So on 11th April, now we move on to 11th April. So he started traveling to his grandparents' village. On 11th April, so he is writing. 11th April, we turns the diary and we are reading that. Today we are traveling. So where? To his grandparents' house. So they started to move in a bus. By bus he started to move. Though it is a summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning. Even though it is a summer, but the weather is so pleasant in the morning. See, even though it is a summer, sometimes we get cool breeze around us in the same pleasant weather in the morning. See, there are numerous trees with yellow flowers. So in a village side you can see, no, so there are numerous trees and greenery. Wherever you can see the greenery, greenish only. But in city side we can't able to see like that and all. We can able to see only a tall buildings in city side. But in village side there are numerous trees with yellow flowers on both sides of the road. So both sides of the road he is watching from the bus. So he sees more yellow flowers. So on the road, and the scenery is all around very beautiful scenery with green fields all around. So there are many white cranes in the paddy field. In some places scarecrow are there to scare away the birds in the field. So best thing in the villages, no pollution, no traffic, the roads are very cleared and clean. So Santosh is enjoying his trip. After he reached his grandparents' house, his grandparents are so excited to see Santosh. They are delighted to see him and hugging Santosh very happily. So grandparents' house is surrounded by more big trees. So his Santosh grandparents' house is surrounded by more big trees, and there are very few jackfruit, mango tree, banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. These are all around in the garden, in Santosh grandparents' garden. His grandfather plucked some ripe mangoes to him, and it was very juicy and tasty. It was very sweet to taste. So the next day, that is 12th April. So the next day, that is 12th April, he woke up early morning because he is in his grandparents' house. No, see, he woke up early morning and out for a walk. That was very cool breeze and pleasing, or a pleasant morning. That was a very pleasant morning. He enjoys the roadways, the village sides of his grandparents' house. Coconut palms are swaying very lazily. On 12th April, so Santosh woke up early morning. He is seeing the village sides roads, the coconut tree is swarming very lazily. Farmers are already in this field. Some of them are cutting the crops and some of them are thrashing the paddy. The air is filled with sweet sound of birds, and his grandmother introduced a girl, Pavai, who lives down the street. Pavai and Santosh were become close friends. So on 12th April, he visited Greenfield, paddy field, visiting Pavai and her friends. He enjoys the 12th April with Pavai and with her friends. On 13th April, now we move on to 13th April, Pavai took Santosh to the village pond. Where she took? Village pond. So near to the village pond, many children are splashing around the pond. Some boys are climbing in the top of the trees and some girls are playing hide and seek near the big banyan tree. Do you remember this game, hide and seek? Do you remember this game? Have you played hide and seek? So next, Santosh is going to near the pond, but Santosh cannot swim. He is sitting simply in a big smooth rock of them. Some of his friends are some of them were wash their clothes and dry their hair in the sun. The river water is so clean. Santosh love the scenery. So Santosh love the scenery, because even though we also love the scenery of villages, isn't it? Because it's very looking so greenish. So that's why Santosh is also love the scenery. Now the scenario of 13th April is over. So now 14th April. So we saw 12th April, 11th, 10th April, 11th April, 12th April, 13th April is over. The scenario of 13th April is over. Now 14th April, the last 14th April. So Santosh is writing his diary from 10th April, 11th April, 12th April, 13th April and 14th April. They are packing their bags back to their home in the city. The trip to his grandparents' home is so enjoyable. Those 2 days flew by fast. So he realized that during that stay, he had neither watched television nor played video games. He is eagerly looking forward to his next visit. So in these 2 days, he didn't even think of playing video games, watching TV. Do you know he didn't play it? Why he didn't play it? Because because in village side he had many friends. He actually roaming here and there. So there is no need to use these types of gadgets. By here the lesson comes to an end. Yes children, I hope that you are all understand this lesson. Even though, let's move on to a short recap. So what is the lesson name? Trip to my grandparents' village. Who is the character here? Santosh. Santosh is writing a diary of the village sides, what he sees from his grandparents' village. So in village side, what are the things he saw? Bullock cart, plough, scarecrow, grains, armors. So how Santosh record his diary? By using his mother's phone. So on 10th April, Santosh started to write diary. So next day, the 11th April, started traveling to his grandparents' village. On this day, he has seen the sightseeing of the greenery, paddy field, yellow flowers, isn't it? So now on 12th April, he visited Greenfield, paddy field, and he visited his friends, Pavai and her friends. So 13th April, he went to village pond and he enjoyed there. So the village water is so clear and clean water. Some of them were splashing their water. So Santosh is sit there simply in a smooth rock. On 14th April, they are coming back to home, and he is reading that everything depends only on what we think. So use that time very preciously. Avoid television, video games. Okay, play something with your parents and your neighbors. Okay children, take care and go through the lesson. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you children.